Hello and welcome to our video on how China became the world's factory. For many people, when they think of China, they think of a country that produces a vast array of goods, from electronics and clothing to toys and household appliances. In fact, China has become the world's leading manufacturer, producing an estimated 28% of all global goods. But how did this happen? How did China become the world's factory? In this video, we will explore the fascinating history and complex factors that have contributed to China's emergence as a global manufacturing powerhouse. We will start by looking at the country's economic history, including the transition from a planned economy to a market-based one. We will discuss the role of foreign investment in China's economic growth, including the establishment of special economic zones and the influx of foreign companies looking to take advantage of cheap labor and favorable business regulations. We will also examine the concept of the China price, which refers to the extremely low cost of manufacturing goods in China. We will explore the factors that have contributed to the China price, including low labor costs, favorable business regulations, and an abundance of raw materials. Finally, we will discuss the impact of China's rise as a global manufacturing hub on the rest of the world. We will consider the pros and cons of this trend, including the benefits of lower prices for consumers and the negative impact on domestic manufacturers in other countries. So join us as we delve into the complex and fascinating story of how China became the world's factory. To understand how China became the world's factory, it is important to consider the country's economic history. After the establishment of the People's Republic of China in 1949, the country adopted a planned economy in which the government controlled production and allocation of resources. This system resulted in rapid industrialization and economic growth, but it also had its drawbacks, including inefficiencies and a lack of innovation. In the late 1970s, China began a process of economic reform, moving towards a more market-based economy. This included the establishment of special economic zones, areas where foreign investment and free enterprise were encouraged. These reforms helped to stimulate economic growth and attract foreign companies looking to take advantage of China's cheap labor and favorable business regulations. As a result of these economic reforms and the influx of foreign investment, China's economy began to grow rapidly. The country's cheap labor and abundance of raw materials, combined with its favorable business regulations, made it an attractive location for companies looking to manufacture goods. This, in turn, led to the emergence of the China price, which refers to the extremely low cost of manufacturing goods in China. The combination of these factors helped to make China the world's factory, as companies from around the world began to outsource production to the country. Today, China is the world's leading manufacturer, producing an estimated 28% of all global goods. One of the key factors that has contributed to China's rise as the world's factory is the emergence of the China price. This refers to the extremely low cost of manufacturing goods in China, which has made the country an attractive location for companies looking to produce goods at a low cost. There are several factors that have contributed to the China price. One of the main factors is low labor costs. In China, labor is significantly cheaper than in many other countries, particularly developed countries. This has made it possible for companies to produce goods at a lower cost in China than they could elsewhere. In addition to low labor costs, China's favorable business regulations have also contributed to the China price. The country has relatively low taxes and relatively few environmental regulations, which has made it an attractive location for companies looking to produce goods at a low cost. Finally, China's abundance of raw materials has also contributed to the China price. The country has a wide range of natural resources, including coal, oil, and minerals, which are important inputs for many industries. This has made it possible for companies to produce goods in China at a lower cost, as they do not have to import these resources. Together, these factors have contributed to the emergence of the China price, which has played a key role in China's rise as the world's factory. China's emergence as the world's factory has had a significant impact on the global economy. One of the main ways in which China's rise has impacted other countries is through the outsourcing of jobs. As companies from around the world have outsourced production to China, many jobs have been lost in other countries as a result. This has had a particularly negative impact on workers in developed countries, who may have lost their jobs to cheaper labor in China. On the other hand, China's rise as a global manufacturing hub has also had some positive impacts. One of the main benefits is that it has led to lower prices for consumers. Because goods are produced at a lower cost in China, they can be sold at a lower price, which has made them more affordable for consumers around the world. However, there are also some negative impacts of China's rise on the global economy. One of the main drawbacks is the impact on domestic manufacturers in other countries. As companies have outsourced production to China, domestic manufacturers in other countries have faced increased competition from cheaper imported goods. This has led to the closure of many factories and the loss of jobs in these countries. Overall, China's rise as the world's factory has had both positive and negative impacts on the global economy. While it has led to lower prices for consumers and economic growth in China, it has also had negative consequences for workers and manufacturers in other countries. In conclusion, China's emergence as the world's factory is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon. It is the result of a variety of historical, economic, and social factors, including the country's transition to a market-based economy, the influx of foreign investment, and the emergence of the China price. These factors have contributed to China's rapid economic growth and have made it an attractive location for companies looking to produce goods at a low cost. The impact of China's rise as a global manufacturing hub has been felt around the world. It has led to lower prices for consumers and economic growth in China, but it has also had negative consequences for workers and manufacturers in other countries. As we look to the future, it is difficult to predict exactly what role China will play as the world's factory. However, it is clear that the country's rise as a global manufacturing powerhouse will continue to be a complex and significant issue with far-reaching economic, social, and political implications.